today I'm gonna be playing Subnautica 2. Finally, it has come out. I'm really sorry for the delay. I did want to start, but I did need to do some stuff, so I couldn't. But at least I'm more prepared now, so at least it's better. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and launch Subnautica 2. Let's go. Finally, Subnautica 2 has come out, and I'm gonna be out. Okay, it's downloading. Mm, okay, I'm downloading the game. I'm gonna play Jump Dash while it's downloading. Anyway, let's play Brilliant. Okay. And the download is probably, I don't know. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna just grab it. Okay, let's go. Okay, can you hear me now? I'm gonna test. It's fine. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna fix my okay, I don't know what's happening. Oh. I forgot how to play jump start. Okay. New best, let's go. Okay, this is me. Okay. Okay, 70%. By the way, just letting y'all know, there's a pretty big chance my computer crashes while playing Subnautica 2. Because before stream, it actually crashed 3 times. So, yeah. Like, not the Subnautica, it didn't crash. My PC just crashed out automatically for some reason when I tried to stream. So, okay, boom, my computer. Okay, now we gotta work. Okay, 97. 98. Let's go. What? Okay. What should we play? Yes, for some reason it's broke and it didn't download so well. It said it has corrupted file. I guess we're just gonna wait. We got 3 people waiting for me to download the game. 3 minutes remaining. I'm gonna do a poll. I'm gonna set up a poll. Oh, let's go. I hope I won't have any corrupted files after this download. Let's go. 99%. Yes, I got it. Let's go. I'm launching the game in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's launching. Probably. Oh yes, it's launching. No way. It's here. Wait, I'm gonna turn on the screen. Let's go. Wait. Okay, Subnautica 2. Let's go. It's launching a little long. Oh, let's go. Whoa, the song is W song. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, this is great. Wow, what? It's now lagging it up. Okay. Let's go. I agreed. Let's do this. Let's go. I want it to be scary. You know. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Does it really matter? What could possibly go wrong? Like, it won't explode, right? No chance it explodes. I'm just gonna wait. While I wait, I'm just gonna do something real quick. Yeah, I'm back. I'm just gonna Look at like I'm just gonna watch video. And here it is. Wow, this looks... Whoa, okay. This looks epic. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god. It's so crazy. Okay, anyway. Let's go. Whoa. Survival. I know. There is no hardcore. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go to fly to the desert world. Desert will last 14 years and it is one-way trip. When you awaken, your new life begins. Let's go, new life begins. Select Pioneer. I'm gonna need this guy. I can custom. Okay, let's go. Suit. I like that. Okay.
Body print complete. PDA implant reset to factory settings. Warning. Atmospheric pressure above human maximum. Projected lifespan 13 minutes. Adaptation required.
Oh, we got some blueprints. Adaptation. Good, I got it. Can I change the color? I'm guessing not, okay? Okay, that's sad. There's something that needs to I'm gonna set it. Use and boot wheel.
I'm Noah. You're the QI. Your life is my job. My job is your life. I wish I could make full introductions, but courtesies must wait. We are both going to die if we stay here. There's another Noah node in the life pod outside. Get me there and I can get us both to safety. You are burning in slow motion. Under 60 atmospheres of pressure, oxygen becomes a neurotoxin. Nitrogen levels saturate your flesh and pry your joints apart. I've opened the door to the adaptation chamber. Your printed body can borrow tricks from indigenous life. You'll feel better. You'll be better. The last pioneer didn't make it to the life pod. I'm activating their black box signal. You will make it. That's why you're the QI.
User death imminent. Proceed to adaptation. Thanks to Altera Pioneer Nanotech, your body can adapt survival traits from a Zezuran rat. Proceed to the sampling pavilion. Gene donor found. You must adapt alien traits to survive. Sampling. Adapting trimethylamine, N-oxide synthesis. Pressure tolerance increased. Vital signs stabilizing. Congratulations. This orb is now your relative.
Let's go. Okay, I picked up something. Let's see. I have these things. I can put stuff. Like wood, okay. I have the mask. I know what this is. These things. And okay. Then let's go.
Scanning for necessary adaptation. Please work.
I'm gonna make the overall. This is scary.
Barometric depth gauge activated. A serious accident has occurred. Your sleep bay has been separated from the cicada. You must reach the surface and send a distress call.
with this dress code.
My full name is Noetic Advisor Node, ISV CIDSB3. Between us, I prefer Noah. You are the QI, the qualified investigator. Wear it with pride. We have made violent planetfall. I don't know the status of the pioneer colonists, the cicada, or the 40,000 souls stored in its quartz memory. I am just one Noah node. I print and support the colonists stored in Sleep Bay 3. But if things go wrong, I am authorized to print a QI or two for troubleshooting. If we're going to complete the mission to build a human future on this world, you will have to lead the way. Are you ready to begin?
Let's go.
I can't release the life pod. The clamps have corroded shut. The tyranny of matter. You'll have to swim out and release them manually. They're on the back of the pod, outside the passenger window. Mind your breath.
Okay. What do you mean in the back of the Oh, right here. Gotcha.
Prepare for launch. Life pod release.
What is happening?
Trajectory error. Collision. Thrusters disabled. Clearing main thrusters. Stand by. Thruster function restored. Brace for corrective reorientation. Collision. Obstructions detected. Increasing thrusters. Releasing parachute. Error. Release firing mechanism failure. Brace for impact.
What is happening?
Wake up. Starnav does not recognize the sky. Titan-class biosignature on the horizon.
Wow.
You are not on Caesura, Pioneer.
What? What do you mean? Let's go. Personnel basic things. We need rubber and fiber. Standard air tank, titanium, rubber, and silver. Survival multiple. Standard issue pioneer tape for harvesting tougher materials. Scanner, titanium quartz, base battery, titanium air gland, base materials, lead acid, salvage material, glass, fiber, rubber, and grease. Basic battery, copper wire, acidic Rhino pouch. Okay. 1. Consumables, basic first aid kit, and okay. Distraction. Let's go. have this. Let's go. Fight. What is that?
Locating the colony is your best chance of survival. A prolonged search will require food and water.
Whoa.
This
Water
organism
slide.
filters brine into drinkable fresh water. This may be an adaptation to the seawater's anomalously high viral load.
What are the some? Data. Adaptations. Pressure tolerance at 100 meters below the surface. The pressure of your body is over 10 times. What is on that? Like an elephant standing on every square inch of it. Human must breathe air under equal pressure or the lungs cannot inflate. But this carries severe risks. Below 40 meters, the nitrogen in air becomes narcotic, causing impaired judgment, delirium, and anesthesia. As pressure increases, oxygen becomes toxic, causing tunnel vision, titanium tinnitus, vertigo, and convulsion. Increased pressure by 1 atmosphere. 600 meters is fatal. Okay. Data downloads. Black box. Unknown, unable to identify black box. Invalid hearing. Post-mortem. This pioneer died of drowning. They became disoriented and ran out of air. They died alone. Time of death unknown. Replacement state unknown. Continuing the determination unknown. Absent. Operation instructions. Step 8. Suicides. Protection suit. Okay, so this is basically protection suit. PDA history. Adaptations. Alright. Let's see if I can see this
Seawater
ship.
sampling detects a source of genetic adaptations in this region. The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Notice the intrusive and persistent heart icon. Return to the life pod at your convenience. Remember that you are in command of the mission.
I trained. We have nothing here. Okay, we need a scanner, and for the scanner we need those stuff. I don't know what that is.
This quartz contains dead coral polyps. It may have formed on or near a coral dome.
Well, we know what quartz is.
From hand tools to corrosion-resistant habitats, titanium is an ideal structural material.
Flashlight.
Copper is key to simple electronics. Bacterial action creates copper on cave roofs and overhangs.
What is that? Oh, what is that? What?
Oxygen.
What? Okay. Oh, there is rubber. Okay. Okay. I need a scan. I don't need one. Why do I have one? Okay, to build a scanner, I need titanium and battery. I need one more copper and whatever that is. Oh. Fish. I can eat now. Oh. Oxygen. Let's go oxygen. Copper. Oh. I get a lot of copper from that. Titanium. I need. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. I'm gonna grab as much titanium as I can. For copper, I need to find it on roofs. Copper. Is that copper? No, that. Anyway.
Oxygen.
Let's get back to the. Can I close this? No. Okay, I think. Good. What? Oh, my inventories.
Critical warning. Stomach failure. Expected caesarean proteins. Found unknown alien tissue.
What?
You cannot digest this world's life. You must locate a gene donor and adapt its enzymes.
Oh, okay. At least I can drink water.
Of all the equipment available to TSF frontiersmen, only this demilitarized switch axe is approved for colonial fabrication. In untrained hands, firearms are primarily used to harm other colonists, or the self.
Okay, this is pretty good. I need like something strange, so I'm gonna try to find something strange. I'm guessing that's what I need. Oh yes, that's what.
Acid can be used to make basic chemical batteries.
Is it gonna grow back? No. Eh. Okay, so I can make the battery now? Yes, okay. I need one more box. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it sees the things in here. Water. I need quartz. I saw quartz what's there, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Oh my god.
Oxygen.
Some words. Okay, got quartz. Let's go. I can barely scan it.
Stranded on 4546B, Riley Robinson used a field scanner to outwit teleporting alien cyborgs and treat his Kara infection. Behavioral economists still debate why Riley abandoned a lucrative motivational speaking career to return to frontier life.
To find the so I can oh yeah, that's cool.
This colony of worms in a shared membrane has no earthly analog. You have discovered a new clade. Naming rights may be auctioned off or reserved as a gift for that special someone in your future.
Flashlight 1 out of 10.
Oxygen.
No oxygen. A fish. Scanning fish. Blue. Right there. Oh look! It detects material.
The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience. Oxygen.
There's something bad happening at night. Anyway. Let's close. Reaper Levi. Old. Titanium. Fish. Databank entry coming soon. Water slug. Biological Enigma. Enigma. That converts seawater into drinkable fresh water. Microbial fuel cell. When moving salt from seawater is energy intensive, non-parallels. The water slug does it, perhaps as a byproduct of an internal microbial reactor that feeds on waste in seawater. Freshwater reason. hydrophobic plastic boat that protects the slug from rapid dehydration by salt. Plankton Farm. The slug's water boat hosts a highly productive plankton species, turning light into food. Fresh water may be necessary for the plankton's chemistry, or it may be a way to keep the plankton from leaving. The vampiric aura. The water slug's developed great beak has a sharp cutting surface, possible evolutionary history as a parasite, or commensal tapping a host's blood and filtering out toxins. Acids. Only nearby source of drinkable water. Advise fabricator gut before drinking. In case kidney problems, consider allowing water slug to feed on your beer. Bar. Corals. Dragon scale coral. A hard coral that grows on hydrothermal vents, using the temperature gradient between its hard base and its cold water to derive metabolite. Hard coral. Dragon scale polyps must grow their hard coral shells in water rich with dissolved minerals. A good resource if it doesn't dissolve you too. Limestones cannot survive in this vent water. Instead, the dragon scale polyps extend long fibers which collect metal ions. These metal whiskers are both an answer for further mineral growth and the key to the coral's metabolism. Whisker-based method. The difference in temperature between the cold and hot end of the dragon scale induces electrical current along its whiskers, which the dragon scale polyps use to drive its metabolism. Troilite superconductor. Deposits of troilite, an iron sulfide mineral, within the dragon scale enter an unusual quantum spin state when heated about 150 Celsius. Databank entry capacity balance. A predatory animal discussed as a leafy kelp discharges electrical shock when distributed. Resembles an octopus or squid planted mantle down in the sea, with its arms spreading to mimic kelp. Pouches of symbiotic bacteria between the arms allow it to photosynthesize. A break at the center of its arms is blocked with mucus. Electrical hunting. The forearms contain electrobytes, organs which build up an electrical charge when distributed by thread. The electrocysts discharge, causing paralysis or death. It is unclear if the prey are directly eaten or if they decompose in a garden around the mimic pylon. Organisms which feed and externally decay are known as sauropods. Implies kelp. The pylon's cryptic aggressive mimicry of leafy kelp implies that kelp must exist on this world. Most species on our oceans to survive. Oceans need to survive. With primary production, the conversion of sunlight into biomass carried out by plankton and algae. Leafy kelp were a late evolutionary development. Fourth, cave mouth strategy. Mimic pylons tend to cluster around sea cave entrances, perhaps to feed an organism entering or leaving the caves. Alternatively, and speculatively, they may have been planted by another species to control access. Avoid contact to prevent injuries. May mark those. Ryan, acid Ryan. Acid Ryan, a colony of worms living inside a shared membrane, probably sponge, uses weak acid to digest brain. Okay, I'm gonna read that later. Oh, green fish. Harvest milk.
Colony structure located. There may be clues to the location of the main habitat. Oxygen.
Oh, branching colony.
Oxygen.
What the hell?
Seek caloric intake. The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Oh, what's that? Had a bad burger. Dying. Fire. Wall light smoke. Metal salt. Open battery outlet and I need that.
This case was broken by a survival multi-tool. Sabotage is a serious crime. Samantha Ayu's bombing of Altera Labs delayed Oxygen by decades.
Yeah, you need one battery. I'm guessing one basic battery.
Building a processor and a power supply will unlock new fabricator recipes. But the added mass would sink your life pod. A standalone habitat is the next step on your mission.
Okay, after this, I'm gonna go back in there. Yes, I saw something. I can stand. Oh. There's gonna go about leading. Oh wow, look at that. It's about to rain. Habitat. I'm gonna grab the bag. Can I do anything else? I don't have silver. I don't know how to craft rubbers and fiber. I don't need the black water. Why do I have it? I'm gonna try to put a battery.
All systems online. Power connected.
Welcome back, Pioneer. I'm Sophie Boucher, Kurultai surgeon. By now you know we're not on the Zura. We call this planet Proteus. We don't know when rescue will find us. For the sake of all our sleeping friends, we have to learn how to survive. Naima?
Hey, fellow dead slave. I'm Naima Dakota, ecologist. Take a sip of seawater. Notice that sweet blood taste under the salt? That's a toxic dose of heavy metals. Nobody survived past 3 months. It's a beautiful place to die over and over again.
But don't let that beauty seduce you, Pioneer. Exposure to Proteus causes a delusion we call Maysfield syndrome. The call of the sea. People may tell you it's a gift. Ignore them. You remember what Kara did to our homes. You know we can't trust alien biology. We've set up a lab here with a few basic biomods. They're safe. But if you start to hear voices, or if you get the urge to swim to the tree, don't go. Habitat is due north. We'll come pick you up. See you soon, Pioneer.
Dash in direction to avoid barriers. Release a trail. Certain passive, see skimmers and passive. How do I do this? that's the case. So need to go back. So try.
Seek fresh water intake.
Let's go. Can I eat that? Oh wow, look at that. No, no.
Oxygen. Do not hesitate to use alien life forms for survival purposes, but always search for unexpected complexity. There is no sign of plant life on this world. This waxy fiber is closer to vinyl or latex than cellulose. Committed vegetarians should expect protein.
Oh, I got them. Right, material. For the right. Oh, wow. Now what we do so. No clue how to get silver. Oh, I can make fiber. I can try to make.
The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
I'm gonna make an air bladder. So I need. That's good. Go to the wall. Okay, I need more food.
Oxygen.
Let's test this. Okay, one more fiber and 2 rubber. Make it. I don't know. One more thing. Let's go.
Oxygen.
There says. Oh, what's that?
Oxygen.
Now gonna test. Like, my dogs are so annoying. Anyway. I'm back. I need to get some fish. Oh, what the? There is not a fish anymore. Yeah. I hope there aren't like any big versions of it. How do I find silver? Maybe I'll find it at this lake. What is happening? I don't see. Oh,
Oxygen.
look at the map. God, I'm thinking. Grab my another bucket, please. Probably need a brown. read some stuff. No portable locker. No terminal. What? How do I do that? How do I make it?
The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
I am guessing I can't make it in here.
The portable locker can be hand-carried or attached to a hardpoint. Avoid workplace friction. Inform your co-workers before moving yours. Oxygen.
So I can like attach them. So, anyway, I won't find flash. I can double speed up. Watch this. Yeah. What's that?
Oxygen.
Oh, they look Jenna. Okay, well, I got some fine flash.
Oxygen.
I'm just gonna go without it, I guess.
rules are simple. Keep the perimeter sensors on alarm, no matter how many false positives you get, and do not go out alone. They are hunting us. We don't know why. Someone made a mistake a long time ago, and we have to live with it. The damn thing is, maybe it was one of us. Maybe they see us and say, look, it's that soft criminal, back from the dead again. Let's get the freak. And we don't even remember what we did.
Grab the question. I'm gonna go back to my light bar to try and grab the flashlight. Yeah, I can grab it. I'm pretty sure.
Alien organisms may have their own interpretation of your light, from threat display to attempted seduction.
I can actually grab this. I need copper. Okay, I need 4 copper. One copper. And that's all.
Congratulations. You have taken a major step towards Zero Debt Day. As a platform for systems like the processor and scanner station, a habitat is a vital investment in your future. A habitat can also be an emotional anchor, proof that you've built something to last. Remember, it's easier to replace a body than a base. Seek caloric intake.
Side this. There is much.
Oxygen.
Okay. Okay. Let's go down with this. I actually wanted to say that that thing looks like the background and not. So I actually don't think we're gonna get. Basically, I don't think we're gonna get that thing.
Potential donor found. Suit surface detects molecules matching the organism from the sleep bay. The noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Angel gone.
This life form is a biological antenna. It archives useful
let's
genetic
go.
material as it matures, adapting alien enzymes to your stomach lining. You may now digest freely.
I think I'm gonna end the stream soon.
I can hear you. Sophie says you're a hallucination, just a virus, but I know you're listening. We're so hungry. There's food all around us, but it's poison. Will you help? If I feed you, will you feed us? This is my body, given for you. Just help us eat.
Okay, I'm great building a habitat, probably. At least getting the resources. Finally, I can eat food. Oh, good. The food is infinite. Okay. It doesn't go bad. That's anyway, let's go. I have a window, a hedge, and a car. Biolab, fabricator, wall locker, small ceiling light, wall light small, wall light large. Know what the exterior facilities, solar panel, add that beacon, portable locker, light pastor, glass river, pastor, poster. Good. I'm gonna build my habitat. On those two. Cool. But for now, we're just gonna put it. Oh. those color stuff. Maybe it's ah. Oh, there is no
Welcome
door.
aboard.
Oxygen.
I need a solar panel.
Power connected. All systems online.
Let's go. I have this small thing. I'm gonna make another corridor.
Welcome aboard.
And like a small bit of rest of my hand. What's that?
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
Okay, need a light now. I need cloud. Oh, a wall. Boom. Okay. Finish the base and that's gonna be out, but did that.
Welcome aboard.
Oh, I need I don't think. Oh.
Welcome aboard.
The Noetic Advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Search on walls and the ceiling. Okay, there's probably no carbon. Gonna go. Oh, this brings me out. Okay, so there are two cars. The ones which bring me up and the ones which bring me up. Rumble Papa. There's the top. Escape. What? I found cover. I need to remember what it is. It's literally very soft.
Welcome aboard.
I need one more copy. I can get this.
Welcome aboard.
The thing I like about this game now is that it like has more games and more resources.
Oxygen.
Welcome aboard. Warning. Power offline. Welcome aboard.
Bad game.
Power connected. All systems online. Warning.
Can
Power offline. Power
Just-
connected. All systems online.
do one light. Okay, that's basically all for today, I think. I still can't find quartz, silver. I'm gonna get all the things inside of my base. So you said I can connect it somehow? Where's the game is connected?
Welcome aboard.
Oh, I can put it inside. That's the game. Game of the year.
Welcome aboard.
The Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Okay, so basically, I have everything. I could try putting this thing in proper water. Nice. Probably nothing. And I'm gonna grab with one more copper thing that I got. And now that acid. Yeah. Distraction. Copper of titanium. Why is it on the wall? Whoa, look at this.
Oxygen.
Anyway, I need all. Which there is a lot of quality.
Seawater sampling detects a source of genetic adaptations in this region, tracking a bloom of viral activity at the same source. Investigate with caution.
Field notes. Under, not, wander. 2 spare tanks. My reprint site is habitat. I'm exhausted today. What if you just reprinted yourself when you were tired? Maybe you'd never have to sleep. Miss Nahima, I'm checking out the big coral tower. There's a mass trapped inside. The scanner's not sure if it's coral polyp or crab tissue. The optogenetics are so weird. We know the Protea virus infects everything on this planet. And we know the coral crabs wear these domes as hats. Is it possible the virus swapped their genes around? So part of this coral just decided it was a crab? Like if you live next to something on Proteus, you become related to it.
Is that contract breaking?
Oxygen.
Copper. Copper.
Welcome aboard.
Copper light. Oh, copper. Can I get it? Okay, well that was Subnautica. Okay, I'm gonna read some stuff. Biolab operational instruction. The biolab is used to inject and remove biolab. Temporarily genetics treat viral from parent lab. The re-entry level colonists can tolerate 2 viral. One activate, one passive. Interference with biolab and choose biolab for one. It's blocked. Okay, so that's full space. Angel. This animal has no earthly analog and no clear ecological niche. The ancestral form may be stenophore, calm jelly, of all animals on Earth. Calm jellies are the least related to human. Active central bulb. The central bulb is similar to an enormous ceremony. It contains gene sequences from organisms in the surrounding environment. Viral loop. The gums release a large RNA virus into the seawater. This virus, designed protein virus, infects all other organisms in the ecosystem. Infected organisms produce new copies of the virus, which return to the angiochrome, carrying the stolen genes from infected hosts. The angiochrome conducts genesis piracy on massive scale. External food source. The angiochrome draws food from the titan rock below. Angiochromes may be obligate parasites of titan rock walls. Assessment. Touch central bulb for genetic adaptation. Further investigation urgently required. Note. User may be curious about the symbiosis between earthly parasitic wasps and polypinaviruses. The wasp's own gen contains the viral gene, allowing the wasp to grade the virus for use for the reproductive cycle. Anita, missing colonists. Colony purser Anita Gotcha drowned near an angel. Anita believed the gum would help her digest this world's food. We have already gained one affected by the patient for an angel. Anita implied that the colonists featured hallucinations caused by virus, and that she could feed on the gum with her body. Anita may have been realized. Colonist Anita Gotcha. Gender W. Mission role colony personnel. Pay rate Bagatu. Hero Knight. Expired Mongolian Free States trademark for specialized valuable work. Biography. Retired Protestant epic war coach. Experienced professional crisis after counseling Mongolian refugees on career retraining. Volunteer for Tsitara colony. Mission to seek personal renewal. Note. Departure from Protestant epic philosophy may create unmet need for belonging.
The Noetic Advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Periscopic cloud club. The hard-legged periscope, a social crab that shelters among stinging animals. Reduced by. The ground crab's single-segment body is an illusion. The multiple segment of other protein arthropods are still present, nested inside. When the ground
Warning. Power offline.
When the ground crab moves, it sheds its internal shells through its digestive tract. Regenerative eye stalk. Enormous eye stalks mimic the surrounding animal. If bitten off by a predator, each stalk is packed with unspecialized cells that quickly regenerate missing eyes. If the stalks grow too long, the clown crab will trim them off to avoid drawing attention. Animal tendon. The clown crab provides a valuable service to sessile animals by ranging out to forage, returning neutrons in its mouth and waste. It also grooms the animals to clean parasites and infections.
Welcome aboard.
Franklin stalk. The third stalk behind the eye is a reproductive organ. The same unspecialized cells used to heal eye stalks become eggs or sperm. Sperm is released into seawater while eggs are deposited in anemone. Sign of healthy animal feeding. A card script hook is in located memory for command. Generate data bank cloud grab echo. Memory card signature restore remembers. Remake remark 1 centipede. I think the PDA got this thing and reproduction completed. I swear. I swear I've seen centipedes. A bunch of clown crabs linked up in a train. I think they grown as a single, segmented organism, and then each segment splits off into its own crab. And then maybe they hook up again later? It won't be the weirdest thing we've seen. Metara Alpha K. Wonder 1.
Welcome aboard.
Sandspeed. Databank entry coming soon. Geodite. Sulfide. Geodite, a jet-propelled omnivore evolved from an organism resembling a bony octopus. Rasping jaw. The geodites, hard mouth parts, can brush algae off rocks, crush small crustaceans, pull plugs out of corals, and cut walls of coral. Forkins, perhaps evolved from bony legs, they steer the geodite and host its four stomach pouches. The verticular stomach. Each fin leg holds a digestive pouch with bacteria specialized to portions of the geodite's diverse stomach. Swimming motion helps stir and digest food.
Welcome aboard.
Central jet. The central channel is lined with stinging cells, which kill small seaborne fauna. Do not insert pincers. Muscular process propel the geodite by jet action. Donut-shelled spinal blade. The geodite's nerve blade is wrapped around the jet channel like a donut. The radial brain structure may have interesting downstream consequences in large organisms. Assessment. Edible, though heavily loaded with metal and waves advised throughout federal bureaucracy. Cesar Light, Titan Rockball.
Welcome aboard.
Titan Rockball. This enormous colony organism resembles a spinal cord protected by a thick, crab-like shell. It extends beyond scanner range in both directions, growing through fractures in the seabed rock. Hollow interior. The interior of the bore contains at least two large flooded channels, once strangely radioactive. The ancestral form may be a pyros, so a sea squid. Poor health. Most of the zooids in the bore are dead, leaving only mineral skeletons and a hydrocarbon polymer section. The imperial channel have clogged. Unknown metabolism. The boar has no apparent food supply. It may have derived chemical energy from minerals, but if so, its bacterial symbiotes have fled. It is starving.
Welcome aboard.
Viral activity. The surviving tissue is infected with large RNA virus similar to earthy giant sea viruses. The bore's anaphora includes receptor sites that encourage viral infection and reproduction. Further analysis is required. Assessment. Entirely unknown organism. Investigate parameters, thermal, origin, and ecological. Points of interest. A small flooded structure apparently intended to welcome pioneers, emerging from sleep-bathed fleet. On site, no node could be reactivated with a battery. For data retrieval, BioLab provides access to basic bio. Resources. Metal salvage. Debris from a human habitat or vehicle, easily converted into raw material in a fabricator. Proterovirus. The Grab Teratoma site provides insight into the behavior of protovirus.
Welcome aboard.
Gross genetic transfer. The proteovirus can reprogram cells of one organism core to behave as and become cells of another, the core cry. This is biologically impossible.
Power connected. All systems online.
Horizontal gene exchange. Horizontal gene exchange is the exchange of DNA between organisms other than parent and a child. It occurs frequently on largely, but not exclusively, between microbes. The human placenta depends on a capsule protein that was inserted into ancestral mammals by a retrovirus infecting a sperm or an egg cell. Evolutionary catalyst. The proteovirus may have evolved earlier than terrestrial viruses, granting it root-level access to biology on this world. If it constantly exchanges genes between species, it may increase the pace of evolution, allowing natural selection to more rapidly search the space of all possible life forms for the best adapted. But most changes are destructive, not helpful. Viruses as free
The
riders.
Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
While viruses are common and evolutionarily important, they are parasites and ultimately consume the host's resource for a little return. A healthy ecosystem should. Databank generation hub. User-facing error. Script hook found in bad network address. Execution failed. Resuming generation. Manage its viral infection into protective road. Assessment. Ambitious. Proteovirus may provide life on this world with evolutionary advantage at the cost of pervasive viral infection. Great viruses, protovirus technical details. Protovirus, large retrovirus discovered in the seawater of this world. Radically dissimilar to terrestrial life. Complex
Seek
genetic.
fresh water intake.
Complex genetic structure. Codons are 4 base pairs compared to terrestrial DNA RNA split. The core viral genome is 1.4 million base pairs stored in numerous strands, large for an RNA virus. Rapid changes in RNA conformation prevent further analysis. Conformation. Accessory genomes contain sequence from infected organisms, primarily seawater microbes. Function unknown. The viral capsule is built from a polymer commonly produced by life on this world. The human immune system cannot lyse this polymer, so protovirus will resist immune reaction. But because protovirus does not share a genetic code with human life, there is no risk of cross infection. Further analysis will require specialized biological evidence. 2. Survival nudity. Habitat below, air bladder, portable locker, and a flashlight. Okay, finally, right on thing. I'm gonna get some food real quick. Oh, look at this.
Oxygen.
Welcome aboard.
Oh, this is good. Okay. So that's it for today's stream. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's a pretty long stream, to be honest. 2 hours. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching the live stream. I'm gonna be live tomorrow a lot longer than today. I'm gonna be live tomorrow for like 5 hours, maybe 6, 7, for a very long time tomorrow. Basically like 5 hours. So yeah, that's basically Subnautica 2. I liked Subnautica 2 a lot. It had a lot of caves, a lot of resources, more resources, but one thing that I don't really like is the beginning of the game, and I don't really like that I can't find silver at night. But it isn't really a bad thing because I do have to explore. So yeah. And otherwise, the game is really good. I put it like 10 out of 10. Nah, 9 out of 10. I can't really rate it for right now, but I do think it's like almost as good as Subnautica Below Zero. Subnautica Below Zero is my favorite game of all the three. Subnautica 1 is the worst, Subnautica 2 is the second, and the third one is Subnautica 1. So, the list goes best one, first place, Subnautica Below Zero, second place, Subnautica 2, third place, Subnautica. So yeah. But Subnautica 2 is pretty cool. It is pretty different like the other games. Does not look any familiar, and it's just overall awesome. No bugs, no lags, everything is awesome. Good game. I am really excited to play tomorrow. And yeah, that's basically it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this review and Subnautica 2. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Maybe even today. Who knows? Anyway, goodbye.